Alrighty, hey guys, this is Jacey. We're at Wabash, and today we're going to be discussing the importance of bulbs. Now is the time, which kinds, when to plant, what to do, and what kind of color we're going to be getting from them. So the first ones that we're going to discuss are the white narcissus bulb. We have quite a few of them. They're wonderful because if you have them in the ground, they'll just multiply and continue to grow. All of these bulbs are wonderful gifts, especially for the holidays that we have coming up. And along with the narcissus, we have allium, which is a really beautiful purple flower. We have the hyacinth. We've got some more of the yellow narcissus, tulips, and some more blue jacket hyacinth. Now, the important thing to keep in mind with the hyacinth is that it needs to be refrigerated for about 6 weeks. Don't put it near fruit. But the tulips and the hyacinth are going to bloom once and then they are done. So a little bit about how do we plant these? You can either do it in straight water or you could do it in the ground. So I'm going to use the narcissus bulb as an example because they're out and we have them. So the first one is going to be just straight in water. We don't want it to be touching the roots of the bulb because we don't want it to rot. So right about where it starts to curve inward, and then we're going to see a lot of outward growth and the roots are going to expand here. The other one that we're going to do is just a bulb in dirt. You can have many of them in pots. They look really pretty when they come up. And we're just going to go about that far down. That's all. And then come right here. Bam. Good deal. So one thing to keep in mind, just to remember, is that the hyacinth needs about 6 weeks of some cold. And like I said, these are great gifts. We have them now. It's perfect timing. And they're wonderful when they come up in the spring. Now you know.